Crewton Ramone's.
HackAMath.com.
Alright. Fooling around with x squared. Just understanding basic concepts. Because like I said, here is the bottom line. Remember, this is x squared, and this is equal sign right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
What does equals mean? What does equals mean?
Same.
Very good.
Same.
Now, so that means this is the same as this, but it doesn't look same, does it? That big red square can disguise himself, right? He could be a lot of things. He could be 1. Can you put a 1 there? Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. He could be 2.
Yeah.
Let's not be misogynistic. She could be 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So how about 3? We can make it 3, and that's what we have here. Let's see here.
4.
Could be 4, but wait. Before we get carried away, come over here. Hey, where's the other dinosaur?
The other dinosaur.
Where's the dinosaur? Oh, look at the Stegosaurus. All right, so if the Stegosaurus, look, that's perfect too. He's looking down there. What does the Stegosaurus see right there? How many would he see? He would see 3. You're right. So if he's looking over here, he knows that since this is the equal sign, it means same. What has to be right here?
I do not want Talkie's
What has to be right here? How long does it have to be? If this is 3, what does that have to be?
3.
Because it says same, right?
I do not want a Talkie.
All right, we'll get the dinosaurs out of there.
I do not want a Talkie.
Okay, so look. If I have x squared is the same thing as 9, that means x has to be 3. See that?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get crazy. I'm gonna say x plus 1
X plus 1.
in a square.
1.
And look, what completes the square? What would complete the square right there?
1.
Anyone can see that.
And 0, and
All right.
then 1, 2, 3.
Now,
Then 5.
right here, I have x plus 1 equals 9. See that? So that means I know this part right here. What does that have to be?
3.
Okay, that whole thing's 3, but what does this part right here have to be?
It's 3.
2.
2.
Can you see it's 2?
Mm-hmm.
Can you point to where the 2 is? Let's make it even more obvious. Because what that says is that a 3 square is 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now I know that if I have x plus 1 though, like this has to be 2. And look, I'm going to do it like this. See? There's my x square.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to build it out of 2's. Then look, there's each one of those is 2. This is a 2 and a 2. And look what completes this square there. Look at that. Right?
1.
So I know that one side is 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 squared is 9.
Mm-hmm.
And 2 plus 1 is the same thing as 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, what?
Okay. Is that simple?
Yeah.
What if I change it?
One
What if
more.
I change this? What if I make it like
One
this?
more and then we're done.
No, we're going to do a couple more. I know it's nap time though because the little boy came in and said he would like to take a nap because he's not feeling so well
All we
today.
need is 2 of these.
Oh, to complete the square? Visually obvious, isn't it? Now I have x plus 2, right? And what completes the square? 4. Any little kid can do this. Alright, so now what does that say? That says that we know this is 1, 2, so what does this x squared have to be? Think about it. What does it have to be? Watch out, watch out.
If we cover up these 2.
Alright, so take these 2, and we'll just take this like this. And I've got those 2 covered up. And wait, I could even take another piece of
And
paper.
it's 3.
It's 3. You think it's going to be 3?
No.
What are we going to see right there?
1.
Very good. 1. Right?
Here's 1.
Because I know this is 2 and I know this is 2. I can see the 2 right there. Right? Let's make it more visually obvious. Look. You see? This is what I said here is that if this is 2, what plus 2 is the same thing as 3?
2. 1 plus 2 is the same thing as 3.
Mm-hmm.
1. 1.
Right?
Yeah. 1.
1. See that?
Mm-hmm.
So that means every x is 1. So here's my x squared. 1. Right?
Yeah. Wait.
Here is my 2x. They're just 1.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
Here is my other 2x. Just 1. Right? And then what completes the square?
2.
What completes the square?
I think it will
How many is this?
2.
How many is that? It's a 4 made out of 2's, but how many is this? Count it, please.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What completes the square? Look, I made a square. See it?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's all I'm saying. That's all it is. How hard is that? Wait, let's show these guys.
Not
Look,
hard
how
at all.
Is that hard at all? That's
No.
not hard at all.
No.
Okay, because we're just saying, what does the x equal? We want to know what the x equals.
X square.
Okay. Now, what if I change it? Oh, wait. And then when we take x plus 2 squared, do you see? Can you count everything that's there, please?
Not everything that's there.
Mm-hmm.
2x.
Wait, count the big one first.
X squared.
X squared.
2x.
I see 2x.
2x.
How many x though?
4x.
4x, because I have 2x and 2x. And then how many completes the square?
2. 4.
4.
Right? 4 days.
Okay, so now this is correct. That x plus 2 squared is x squared, 4x, and 4. Right? But it's not as easy to see. It's much easier to see when it's like this. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh my goodness, let's keep going. But let's take a pause while we set up a new thing. All right, before I set up more, I just wanted to talk to the people watching here. 4, 5. Still can do these concepts. But what if
4.
What if this was 3?
That was 3.
3.
Yeah.
What if this was 4? What if this was 5? Okay, as they get older, we can start talking about what happens here and what happens to the x as this increases.
2.
Right?
So
but for now,
Xing.
let's just get the basic concepts down. Okay, so let's set up another one. All right, you build me a 4 square.
A 4 square? Can I do
4 square.
Can I try?
You could, but I think it's time your brother's going to do it. We're just going to do it fast.
There.
Okay, just put it right there.
We could both do
You know what you could do?
What?
You could put the x square.
Okay.
All right. So now that's really easy to build. All right, now look, I have a 4 square over here. How many in a 4 square?
4.
How many total? How many of these in a 4 square? We're gonna count them all.
4.
That's a good answer, but I want to know the total.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, are you gonna count them by ones?
7, 8. 1, 2.
How about we do some skip counting? Skip
count.
counting. We never catch a 4. Yeah. All right.
Peanuts or
Keep going. Good.
Now look at your 4, 8, 10.
They do.
What all 4s do is they have many.
Keep going.
3,
Then what?
6,
4,
9,
4,
12, 8,
8,
12,
12,
16.
16. Wow, isn't that a lot faster than counting by ones? Now you could have counted them by 3s, and you could have counted by 2s, and you could have counted by 1s. But do you see there where we can teach skip counting just to make the lesson go faster?
4, 5. This is the last one, right? 8.
Okay, if you want it to be. I know you want it. You want to take a nap, huh?
12.
Okay.
13. After this one done. 15.
Oh, you counted them all and then you lost your place. See? That's another thing that happens when you count a lot of units. And this is the other thing that happens. When you have to get them out like this, oh my goodness, it takes forever to build the rectangles.
13, 14, 15, 16.
Got to 16, good. But it certainly isn't it faster to just go 4, 8, 12, 16.
No.
Okay. Yes or no?
Yes. I see no. Mother says yes.
Okay. Count by ones.
1, 2.
4, 8, 12, 16. I'm done.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Skip counting much, much faster than counting by ones. Now, we have the equal sign here. Oh, wait. Let me write this down. I need a pen. I need a pen. Now I said x squared equals 16. See that?
Yeah.
What does x got to be?
It's gonna be 16.
Well, the whole thing is 16. The x squared is 16. I just want to know one side now. What is one side? Count it, please.
4.
Can you see 4? Can you show your brother where 4 is?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So that says that this side and this side has to be the same thing.
Yeah, because 2 plus 2
is 4.
4.
Okay. Now, what if I change it around? What if I say that it's an x plus 1 equals 16? Okay, so what does x have to be? In other words, you know now that this is x plus 1.
X have to be 16.
hold on. Put this right here. Completes the square right there, right? See it? Again?
Yeah.
Now, you know this is 1 right here. What's this right here? How many is there? Count it.
Is there?
Yeah.
3.
Alright, can you see the 3?
Yeah.
Okay. And can you see now? Look, here it is again.
We left it.
3. There's a 3 square. See it? And that means each one of these is a 3. And what completes the square? Complete the square for me, please.
I will.
Right?
Yeah.
And if we counted the whole thing again, it's still just x squared, 2x, and 1 more. Okay, let's get bigger. I'm going to get a little bit bigger here. Wait, stop, you. I'm going to make this into an x plus 2 square. See it? Can you please complete the square?
I can.
Complete the square. He's going to do it? Alright. Okay. Alright, turn it over. Very good.
We need one more spare.
Alright, excellent. Now I'm saying that we know 2 over here. We know 2 out of these. So what does this have to be?
2.
2.
2.
See it?
Uh-huh.
So now, if I know that it's an x plus 2 square, right? And it's the whole thing of 16, x must be the same thing as 2.
Yeah.
Right? And can you please count all of this? If it's an x plus 2 square, what's actually an x plus 2 square? What's all the parts of an x plus 2 square? There's an x square.
Uh-huh.
Okay, keep counting.
X.
Mhm.
2 X's.
Mm-hmm. And 2 more x's.
Mm-hmm.
How many x is that?
4.
4 what?
4X.
4x. Gotta tell me what kind. And then how much completes the square here? Right there.
4.
Very good. Right?
Yeah.
And we can build it that way. We can build it very quickly. We can say that if x is the same thing as 2, there's my 2 square, right?
Yeah.
There's that 2. Here's this 2.
And then
And what will complete the square here?
3.
What will complete the square there?
I think it would
Look, look, look.
be-
Tell me what it is. You, tell me what it is. What will fit here?
I think it would be 2.
2?
The only
I'll just put 2 in there. Does that complete it?
2 2s.
2 2s.
2 2s.
What's the name for 2 2s?
4.
4. Right?
2 2s.
And again, we can see it.
2
Right? And we just built our 16 out of 2s. Now, just
Yeah.
for fun, because you guys are little kids, can we count by 2s?
2.
2.
4.
Mm-hmm.
6.
Yep.
8.
Very good.
10.
Yeah.
12.
12.
14.
14.
16.
Done.
16.
Alright, so skip
And-
counting lesson, algebra, it's all there.
What after
Addition,
that would
subtraction.
would be and now 15. We can be done.
After 16 comes what?
2, 4, 6.
2, 4,
8.
6, 8, 10. Keep going.
12.
12.
12.
Yeah.
16.
What comes after 12?
12. 13.
14.
14.
Right, here's 14. And then
16.
and then what comes after 16?
18.
18. What comes after 18?
18.
20.
20.
Oh, okay.
I actually learned. I actually learned all of that in school.
Mm-hmm. You learned that in school?
It was a show at school.
Mm-hmm.
A movie we have. But
We had a movie?
yeah.
Excellent.
But I just couldn't remember, so.
Couldn't remember them all, but you can see them here, right? We seem to be missing a 2. Where'd that 2 go? Let's go see if we can find it. Oh, really? Are we out of time?
Nuts.
Nuts is right, because we only have less than a minute, and I was going to do 25. Can we build 25 real fast?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Before we run out of time.
We're out of time. And then by the time we get this thing all rigged up again and loaded and blah, we won't ever... we're done. You guys are going to have a nap. Anyway, see there's 25?
No.
Now, if x squared equals 25, what's one side got to be?
5.
5. Done. How easy is that? We could keep going and plan more. And actually, we're going to. We just won't have it on film. Anyway, CrewtonRamone'sHouseOfMath.com for more.